So our decorated strawberries are finally finished and they look so lovely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you get notified every time we have a new recipe here.
Hello viewers, thank you for joining us today. Welcome to Soft Canvas. Today's recipe is going to be super delicious, super juicy, chocolatey, which is chocolate covered strawberries. Alright, so let's get started. To make chocolate covered strawberries, I have taken here some fresh strawberries, super juicy, you see here. So I washed these with cold water, and I used a paper towel to take off extra water, and it has to be really dry. Today I'm going to use white chocolate, and I'm going to use milk chocolate and some sprinkles. Okay, so I place a pot with some water on the stove, and now I'm going to place this white chocolate bowl so that the white chocolate is going to melt with the steam or with the hotness. Alright, so you see that the white chocolate has melted. It is perfect. Now I'm going to take it out. Alright, so with the same process, I'm going to melt this milk chocolate. Okay, so this is ready as well. Alright, so I had some skewers that I inserted inside the strawberries, and now I'm going to dip these strawberries. Alright, so I have white chocolate and milk chocolate, both are ready. Now I'm going to dip these strawberries, and you can use your creativity to make design on strawberries. You can mix and match colors with white chocolate and dark chocolate. You can make some funny faces or whatever, use your own creativity. And also one thing, if you want to put some sprinkle on it, make sure that you do so, because this is gonna be drying super quick. Alright, so I'm going to put some sprinkle on it. So these strawberries are super good for kids snack at school or snack for your work. And also strawberries are very rich with vitamin C and magnesium. Milk chocolate gives you energy, and it is good for your health. So make sure during summertime, when we have a lot of fresh strawberries available, please try this recipe. You will love it. You see that these edges started drying. Alright, so in the same process, I'm going to make all strawberries. Already, so super juicy inside and really crunchy outside chocolate covered strawberries are ready. We can't wait to try it. I really want you guys to try this recipe. We have lots of fresh strawberries during summertime. It's really good and healthy as well. Please try it and let us know how do you like it. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please subscribe and share our videos. Thank you.